Hello friends, my name is Carrie Ann and you're watching Hello Friends Carolinas. This is my vlog where I visit local eateries and my friends' businesses, and I do home tours here in Western North Carolina. Today I'm in an adorable townhome, 16 Kaler Drive here in Arden, North Carolina. The great news about this place is that the HOA manages a lot of what you have as far as landscaping goes. They take care of your roof and your painting for your exterior. Let's go inside and see what parts I love best about this home. This townhome at 16 Kaler Drive here in Arden, North Carolina is convenient both to Asheville and Hendersonville. It's a desirable townhome in Ledbridge Vista, a great subdivision. The home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a tile shower in the primary bedroom, walk-in closets, a fireplace in the great room, and a double car garage. Let's explore this home together. We have a guest bedroom, the bathroom we have, and another bedroom, or could be office. Coming into the living room or great room, we have a high ceiling, a gas fireplace, sliding glass doors out to the back patio that we will explore together soon. And then off to the left, a closet and the primary bedroom. I love that this primary bedroom features a vaulted ceiling. It has a walk-in closet and then double vanity, tile shower, bathroom. When we come back out, we'll skip the patio for now, coming back to enjoy that in just a moment. We have an open concept dining room into kitchen, great big kitchen, all newer appliances, less than 1 year old. And when we come back to the back, we see the washer, dryer, laundry area, and a back door leading again to the garage. If you've been watching Hello Friends Carolinas for a while, you know one of my favorite features is the outdoor areas of any home, whether it be porches or patios or verandas, and this home does not disappoint. Completely fenced in, it has beautiful landscaped design, great for entertaining or sitting back and enjoying. I hope you enjoyed that home tour, and thanks for watching another episode of Hello Friends Carolinas. If you're looking for your home and community here in Western North Carolina, I'd love to help. Give me a call today. Bye, friends. Special thanks to Justin Purnell with eXp Realty LLC, the listing agent on this beautiful townhome.